Yo, what is good? We are back at it again with another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you the best settings for your OBS recording and streaming. This is going to be a full guide, all just one video. So, yeah, if y'all enjoyed the content, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that notification bell to get all my videos as soon as they come out. And we'll be posting more helpful videos like this. So, yeah, enough talking. Let's get into it. Alright, first thing I'm going to do, obviously, load into your OBS. You want to go down here to your settings. Alright, the first setting you always want to change is your theme. Change it to anything dark. Do not change it to anything light. The next thing you want to do is come down here to source alignment snapping, enable this, and put it to about somewhere from a range from 5 to 15. I like to have it near that. Basically what this does, if you apply this, click OK, you come down here, obviously you can see it just snaps it in place. It's just the sensitivity of when it snaps. So once you find what you're comfortable with, just apply it. Next thing you do is come over to the stream tab, keep this on auto. It will automatically just find the server that's best for you. But something big in here that a lot of people don't know about is, if you see this, ignore streaming service setting recommendations. Check this off because this will give you an advantage over other people. As you can see, the maximum video bitrate is 6,000, audio bitrate is 320. Basically what this does is you can actually make yours higher than anybody else's. So once you check this off, click apply. Alright, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna come down here to the output tab. Make sure you have this set to advanced. You're gonna have the video encoder set to NVIDIA NVENC H.264. Set rescale output to disabled. Personally, these are my settings, but you can change yours to be a little bit less or higher depending on how good your PC and Wi-Fi is. So I set my bitrate to about 8,000. Keyframe interval, set this to 2. For the preset, make sure you set this to P7, and if it does get a little laggy, you can just slowly bring this up. Basically, as you'll see, it goes from best quality to lowest quality. So I do have mine on P7. Tuning, put this on high quality. Once again, if it does get laggy, you can change these. Set this to 2 passes, full resolution. You can do quarter, but I like to get just the best quality out of my videos. And then the profile set to high. Also, make sure you have look ahead set to off and psycho visual tuning to on. And then apply this and go to the recording tab. All right, keep the type to standard. Basic recording format, this depends on what you do when you're recording. So if your videos are probably, I'd say 20 minutes or less, then I'd change it to MP4. But if they're longer than that, then you change it to MKV. MKV, it won't corrupt the file if it does like crash. I've had multiple instances where it does crash and actually keeps my video, which helps a lot. Just make your decision depending on what you do. Come down here to NVIDIA encoder. Once again, change it to NVIDIA NVENC H.264. Rescale output, once again, disabled. Then I'm gonna come down here to encoder settings. I like to change mine to CQP. Personally, this is just for the best quality. I like to have mine at 16. Basically, the lower you go, the higher quality, and the higher you go, the lesser the quality. So I like to keep mine about 16, but you can either raise it up or lower it depending on if you want a little bit more quality or a little bit less. Change your keyframe interval to, once again, 2 seconds. Once again, the preset to P7, tuning to high quality, 2 passes, full resolution, and profile high. Just basically the same settings other than the CQP and the MKV. All right, and once you've done all those settings, apply it, and then we're gonna go to the audio tab. So for this, I like to just put literally every track at 320 bitrate. This just maximizes the quality basically. All right, next thing, come over to your audio. Make sure this is at 48 kilohertz. Also, I like putting my desktop audio to whatever your headset is, and then mic obviously to your mic. Once you put those in there, once again apply it, and then come over to the video tab. These are my settings, 1920x1080 for both, and then 60 FPS. So once you put that in there, once again apply it, and then we're gonna come on here to the advanced. So once you come to the advanced, you'll see general and process priority. I would start off by trying normal, and then if it does have lag, change it to obviously above normal or high depending on how bad the lag is. Me personally, I'm just gonna keep this at normal, but once you're done with that, scroll down here to recording, and you'll see this automatically remux to MP4. Basically, if you did set yours to MKV, then you can have it changed to MP4, since a lot of softwares use MP4 and don't use MKV. Personally, I use Premiere Pro, and you actually can't use MKV, so you have to change to MP4. OBS actually has a built-in converter from MKV to MP4, but if you did set it to MKV, definitely check this off. It'll make it a lot easier. Actually, it's really cool. OBS has a built-in converter, and if you want, you can turn on stream delay. Obviously, this is just for your own reasoning. Scroll down here to automatically reconnect this, just in case your internet goes out. I'll definitely enable this if it's not already, and then I like to have mine at about 5 seconds, if not even maybe a little bit more. I'm gonna change this actually to about 10 seconds. This is just in case you're streaming and your internet goes out. Basically, it'll give it time to reconnect. I don't really mess with anything in here. You can change color range and color space if you'd like. Once you put all those settings in there, obviously apply and okay, and boom, just like that. That's how you get the best settings for recording and streaming on OBS. If this video helped you, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that notification bell to get all my videos as soon as they come out. More videos will be out soon, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.